Decentralized perpetual exchanges are a new type of cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade assets without the need for intermediaries. This means that there is no central authority controlling the exchange, making it less vulnerable to hacks and allowing for faster and more efficient trading. However, traditional centralized exchanges still dominate the market despite their drawbacks, such as frequent security breaches and funds getting stuck due to maintenance or regulatory issues. How decentralized perpetual exchanges work. Decentralized perpetual exchanges operate on a peer-to-peer network where users can directly trade with each other using smart contracts. These smart contracts are self-executing agreements that automatically execute trades when certain conditions are met, removing the need for intermediaries to facilitate trades. Liquidity pools play a crucial role in decentralized exchanges, providing a reserve of assets for trading and ensuring there's always enough liquidity for users to buy and sell assets. What are the three main reasons? Decentralized exchanges are predominantly utilized for heightened security, as they enable users to maintain control over their private keys. This self-custodial approach empowers individuals with complete control over their assets, while also offering increased privacy by minimizing personal information requirements. Advantages of decentralized perpetual exchanges. Decentralized perpetual exchanges offer several advantages over traditional centralized exchanges. First and foremost, as mentioned earlier, decentralized exchanges provide heightened security by eliminating the need for a central authority to hold users' funds. This means there is no single point of failure that hackers can exploit, making it much more difficult for them to steal funds from the exchange. Furthermore, let's explore additional crucial benefits of decentralized perpetual exchanges. No KYC requirements. Most traditional centralized exchanges require users to go through a Know Your Customer (KYC) process before they can start trading. This can be time-consuming and invasive for users. Decentralized exchanges do not have this requirement, allowing for more privacy and anonymity for traders. Increased security. Since there is no central authority controlling the exchange, there is less risk of a single point of failure or a hack affecting the entire system. Transparency. With the use of smart contracts, all trades on a decentralized exchange are recorded on the blockchain, making them transparent and immutable. Lower fees. Decentralized exchanges typically have lower fees compared to their centralized counterparts, as there are no middlemen taking a cut. Challenges of decentralized perpetual exchanges. Decentralized exchanges pose challenges in terms of complexity and user-friendliness. Users are required to manage their own private keys and navigate through intricate interfaces, which can act as barriers for new traders or those unfamiliar with blockchain technology. Additionally, transactions on blockchain networks often incur high gas fees that are subject to network congestion, resulting in increased trading costs for decentralized exchange users. However, DPEX addresses all of these challenges. It boasts a stunning and intuitive interface that is not only user-friendly, but also simplifies trading on various blockchains. Notably, some of these blockchains like Polygon, Kava Network, and Avalanche offer significantly lower gas fees. Introducing DPEX, the Decentralized Perpetual Exchange, enabling leveraged trading of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies. Trade directly from your Web3 wallet without intermediaries. Experience the benefits of decentralized trading across multiple blockchains, including Polygon, ZKVM, Avalanche, Arbitrum, and Kava Network. DPEX revolutionizes decentralized exchanges with its user-friendly interface and low fees. Prepare to dive into a world of endless possibilities. Introduction to Metamask and hardware wallets. Metamask is a popular Web3 wallet that securely manages cryptocurrency assets and interacts with decentralized applications. It acts as a gateway to the decentralized world, providing a user-friendly interface for sending and receiving cryptocurrencies, interacting with smart contracts, and accessing decentralized exchanges like DPEX. On the other hand, hardware wallets like Ledger offer an extra layer of security for storing and managing cryptocurrency assets. These wallets use advanced encryption techniques to keep private keys safe. They also allow for offline storage of cryptocurrencies, reducing vulnerability to hacking attempts. Both Metamask and hardware wallets are essential tools for safely navigating decentralized finance, DeFi. DPEX provides connectivity for both, offering a more secure alternative to centralized exchanges. With DPEX, users can connect their Metamask or hardware wallets to the platform and trade on a decentralized exchange without compromising asset security. Metamask and hardware wallets are crucial for using DPEX, providing a secure way to manage and store cryptocurrency assets. These tools eliminate the need to rely on centralized exchanges susceptible to security breaches. With Metamask, users can easily connect their wallet to DPEX and trade on the platform. Accessing the leverage trading feature through DPEX is simple and straightforward. Setting up Metamask in a hardware wallet. If you're considering entering the world of NFTs or cryptocurrency, chances are you've encountered Metamask. In this video, we'll explain what Metamask is, how it securely stores digital assets, and provide a step-by-step guide for setting it up. Stay informed about crypto by subscribing and enabling notifications. Metamask is your personal gateway to the world of cryptography. It's essential for buying, selling, and transferring digital assets on the blockchain. Designed for Ethereum and beyond, Metamask is a cutting-edge crypto wallet. As a free and open-source hot wallet, Metamask allows you to explore Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and more. Begin your crypto journey with ease and security. It's available as an app on Android and iOS, and as a browser extension on Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. How can you make the most of Metamask? In addition to purchasing, you can receive, accept, send, and swap tokens. The user-friendly dashboard makes it convenient to make purchases using various payment options. Metamask also enables you to connect with decentralized applications and Web3 services, including DPEX, a decentralized trading platform offering leveraged trading options. With Metamask, you can directly interact with DPEX to engage in leveraged trades on cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Matic. Let's get started. Your first task is to create a Metamask wallet. To do so, install the extension on your browser. Exercise caution, as fraudulent applications mimic the authentic Metamask. Visit the official Metamask website to avoid counterfeit versions. To install the extension, go to the Chrome Web Store and add Metamask. Create your account and remember your 12-word seed phrase to restore your wallet if needed. Keep your seed phrase secure and consider writing it down on paper. In Metamask, create an account by clicking the extension icon in the upper right corner. Choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one. To start, review and accept the wallet's terms of use. Then, create a password by clicking Create. Note down the 12-word seed phrase on paper for safekeeping. Finally, click the button to reveal the secret words. Click Next to verify your secret seed phrase in the correct order. Remember, if you lose this phrase, it cannot be recovered. Now that setup is complete, what's next? Use your new Metamask wallet to receive, send tokens, store NFTs, or trade with DPEX. To find your wallet address, click the button next to the code to copy and share it. You can also transfer tokens from exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Phishing attacks pose a greater risk to Metamask wallets. To secure your assets, follow these steps. Use a secure password. Enter your seed phrase only in the genuine wallet. Never share private keys while screen sharing, and avoid suspicious websites. That wraps up our Metamask tutorial. If you're worried about security, try a cold storage hardware wallet. Keep your seed phrase secure and never share it.